Great. That's a quick overview of how Git actually looks under the hood, and that's actually all for this Git crash course. Now you know how to use basic features of Git, you know how to use such commands as git status, git add, git commit, git log, git checkout. Also you know how to create new branches by entering command git branch, and also you know how to merge branches by using command git merge. Except that you know how to create repository at GitHub and how to connect your local repository and remote repository, and how to push and pull changes. I hope you enjoyed this Git crash course, and if you want to learn more, I highly recommend you to watch my more than 20 hours long complete Git and GitHub guide, where I talk about all Git and GitHub features in very deep details. Thank you for watching.